If this video found you today, maybe you were meant to hear this. Someone told me something yesterday and I can't stop thinking about it. He said, those who leave everything in God's hands will eventually see God's hands in everything. At first, I thought it was just another spiritual quote, but then I realized something. When you try to control everything, every delay feels like punishment, every rejection feels like failure. और फिर हम सोचते हैं, why is this happening to me? But the moment you trust that there is a bigger plan, your perspective changes. A closed door doesn't feel like the end anymore. It starts feeling like redirection. कभी कभी जो चीज़ हमसे छीन जाती है वो एक्चुअली हमारे लिए बनी ही नहीं होती. And sometimes the delay you hate today is the preparation you will thank God for tomorrow. Because when you truly surrender, you stop asking why is this happening to me, and you start realizing maybe this is happening for me. And that's when you start seeing God's hands in everything.